Do you really own your stuff, or is it just an illusion of ownership? Let's dive into this concept. In today's consumer culture, we purchase products under the assumption that they are ours to control. That shiny new smartphone, that sleek laptop, that cutting-edge smartwatch. We buy them believing we are the sole owners, but are we? Manufacturers often wield more control than we realize. They design and build these products, but they also determine how long they last. Ever heard of planned obsolescence? It's a strategy manufacturers use to control the lifespan of their products. They design your beloved devices to eventually fail, forcing you to buy a new one. And what happens when you try to repair it yourself? You're often discouraged, voiding warranties or facing roadblocks in accessing necessary parts or information. So, are you truly the owner if your device is designed to fail and you're discouraged from fixing it? Ever wonder why your devices seem to slow down or break just after the warranty expires? This isn't a stroke of bad luck. It's a calculated strategy known as planned obsolescence. It's the deliberate decision by manufacturers to limit the lifespan of their products, nudging you to buy the latest model. Now let's think about the repercussions. For you, it means shelling out money more frequently for replacements. And then, there's the environmental toll. With every new device bought, the old one often ends up in a landfill, contributing to electronic waste. But it doesn't stop there. The production of new devices requires resources and energy, adding to our carbon footprint. So, in the grand scheme of things, planned obsolescence doesn't just hit your pocket, it's a blow to our planet too. Planned obsolescence isn't just an inconvenience, it's a tactic that affects your wallet and our planet. Imagine a world where you have the freedom to fix your own stuff. Sounds good, right? Welcome to the Right to Repair movement, a global initiative that aims to give you, the consumer, the power to repair the devices you own. The goal here is simple: to empower you with the knowledge, tools, and parts to fix your own devices, instead of having to depend on the manufacturer. This isn't just about saving money on repairs, although that's certainly a big part of it. This is about reducing electronic waste and promoting sustainability. Every year, tons of electronic waste is produced because devices are designed to be disposable, not repairable. The Right to Repair movement is battling this trend, advocating for devices that are built to last and can be repaired when they break down. Supporting the Right to Repair movement isn't just about fixing your stuff, it's about reclaiming your right to ownership and making a statement against planned obsolescence.